Hi, our topic today is about the classification of accounts. Okay. Now, if you can still remember the other day, we have briefly talked about the word accounts. Okay. So, can you still remember what's the account used for? Okay. Yes. Accounts are used for recording a business transaction. As we already explained, the business day in day out they encounter so many transactions, right? That's why we need a way to record all these transactions. So we make use of something called accounts. Okay, so different transaction we will open up different accounts. Okay, so now accounts can be divided or classified into two general categories: the personal account and the impersonal account. Okay, if you can just see from the word over here, person. So this personal account will be related to people, persons, okay, or business. So under the personal account, we have the debtor and the creditor, okay. So these two, as you can see, they are the people, they are the persons, okay. So now, we have already talked about these two, but just very briefly. So debtor, who is a debtor? Okay, a debtor, we can think of it as someone whom you sell the goods to on credit. Okay, the customer who you sell to on credit. Okay, meaning to on credit meaning to say he hasn't paid you any money yet. Okay, so a debtor is someone who owes you the money. Okay, how about a creditor? A creditor is someone who you owe to, okay? For example, a supplier, he supplies the goods to you on credit, meaning to say you not yet pay to him for the goods he supplied to you. So that means you are owing him the money, right? So he is the creditor, okay? So debtor is someone who owe you the money, and creditor is someone you owe him the money. You owe creditor the money. Okay. Now, impersonal. Just now we talk about person, which is about people, person. Impersonal is non-person. Okay. So it's divided into two: the real and the nominal. The real are the assets, for example, land, furniture. What else asset have we gone through? Motor vehicle, cash at bank, and so on. So they are the assets. Nominal can be divided into two: the expenses and the income. Can you name me some of the expenses? Okay, so we can have rent, we can have insurance, we can have interest. Okay, these are the expenses. How about the income? Okay, so we can have rent received, interest received, commission received. Okay, we'll see the word receive at the back. Okay, mainly is classified under the income. And then on top of that, we could have sales, because sales is our source of income. So as you can see from here, view, okay, the assets and the expense and income, which we call the nominal account. All these, okay, assets, expense, income, all these, they are the non-person, okay? It's different from here. These two are the person or the people, whereas this one, the asset, the expense, and the income, they are impersonal because they are non-person, okay? Is that clear? Okay, thanks for watching.